खान साहब
एक साइड ना प्लीज ना प्लीज ना
हाँ सर सर यहाँ से पास है अपन को इतना बात नहीं प्लीज प्लीज
बस आपके पीछे
फोटो भी आने वाला है।
ये नहीं कुछ सेटिंग किया
Are you Mr. Patnik? Yeah. Yes, I know. Good morning.
जाने दो बात
साइड दे दो प्लीज थैंक यू
I think, everybody talks about voting being a right and celebration of democracy. ये सब कुछ सही है और है ऐसा. But I think the right to vote is also the right to dignity. अपने देश में रहने की जिस तरह हम चाहते हैं, जिस प्रकार की चीज़ें चाहते हैं, घर में बाहर अपने बच्चों के लिए, दोस्तों के लिए, I think पूरे देश के लिए. So I think when you look at it, then it amalgamates a lot of things, not just one or two issues that we talk about. But on the platform. आप लोग हैं ना जागरूक कराने के लिए.
बहुत सारे सीनियर सिटीजन हैं वो निकल कर आए, लेकिन यंगस्टर्स फिर भी बहुत कम निकले हैं. क्या कहेंगे?
आई डोंट नो, आपको मालूम होगा, लेकिन इसलिए कहते हैं कि जो बड़े बूढ़े होते हैं, बुजुर्ग होते हैं, उनकी बात सुननी चाहिए, उनकी डायरेक्शन फॉलो करनी चाहिए. और मैं भी जब अंदर गया तो बहुत सारे, I don't like to call them senior citizens, I like to call them people who show us the path. बहुत सारे थे अंदर और उनमें से दो ने तो मेरे लिए इंतज़ार भी किया, सो बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद उनका. I think we should follow their footsteps.
What is the one big reason that got you to come out and vote? One glaring issue.
There's a little book I was reading last night, early morning, because I'm shooting all night. And there's a saying by a very important leader that elections and democracy is like a fire, and how you treat a fire if it's in front of you. If you turn your back to it, your behind will catch fire, and then you will be sitting on your blisters and have no right to complain for the next 5 years. So if there is a fire in front of you, you need to take care of it in a good way. Douse it out, look after it, look after yourself. And I think elections and democracy is like that, and I think everyone should come out and vote. And those who haven't been able to, I hope they have good enough reasons. There must be some older commitments or whatever.
Lots of your colleagues have gone to IFA. What do you like to say about that? Like people from a fraternity have opted for no votes.
I can't, it'd be wrong for me to take this, high ground and mention why X or Y or Z haven't been able to come and vote. Everybody has their commitments. It is always nicer if we are able to do it. Sometimes it's unavoidable. I'm not taking on for my industry. I'm not taking away. I heard the voter turnout here is something between 20 to 25%. So there are a lot of people from all walks of life who haven't been able to make it. Inshallah, the next one. Or we still have half an hour, 1 hour, so everybody come out and vote.
What have you voted for today? What have you voted for today?
I voted for dignity for my country.